Hello friends, I am BM. Today I am going to show you how to fix horizontal line and background horizontal line problem. Canon image class 2525 IR machine. Please like this video, subscribe my channel, hit bell icon. Okay, let's start the video. Open front cover, slide this, remove this waste toner section. Okay, open side cover, and then open screw, drum unit lock screw. Okay, slide this lock. Okay, slowly pull out drum unit. Be careful, drum is very sensitive. You see, drum is shining very light. Need to replace this drum. Okay, open this lock slowly. Open this lock. I am changing here drum, PCR and cleaning blade. Slowly pull out this PCR. Okay, okay, after change this drum and PCR cleaning blade, this is old drum PCR cleaning blade. You see here I am install new drum PCR and cleaning blade. Okay, let's go to IR machine. Please insert this drum unit slowly, be careful, our drum is new. Okay, press properly and lock this. Fix this lock screw. Reinsert toner, waste toner section. Okay, slide this, close front cover. Oh, cover is not okay. Close this and then close side cover. Properly close this. Okay, closed properly. After this, take a printout from IR machine. You see on screen display is dull, brightness is not good. I am taking a printout from machine. Please wait. See, print is coming. Okay, print is come. You see, print is good. See here, there is a two paper, before print and after print. Thank you for watching.